In the bustling streets and serene temples of Thailand, among incense smoke and golden shrines, a curious sight catches the eye: bottles of bright red Fanta, neatly arranged as offerings to the gods. No corks popped, no glasses poured, just sealed bottles, glowing like rubies in the tropical sun. But why Fanta? And why red? This modern ritual is a fascinating blend of tradition and adaptation. In Thai spiritual practice, offerings are made to spirits, Phi, who dwell in homes, trees, and sacred spaces. Traditionally, these offerings included red-colored drinks made from hibiscus or rose syrup. But as urban life evolved, red Fanta became a convenient, vibrant substitute. The color red symbolizes vitality, prosperity, and blood, an essence of life that spirits are believed to crave. Fanta's sweetness, fizz, and bold hue make it an irresistible gift to the unseen. It's not consumed, it's placed with reverence, often alongside marigolds, incense, and miniature figurines. At spirit houses, small shrines found outside homes, businesses, and hotels, these bottles stand like sentinels, quietly bridging the gap between the material and the mystical. Some say the spirits prefer red Fanta to alcohol, appreciating its innocence and purity. This quirky ritual reveals Thailand's unique ability to weave ancient beliefs into modern life. It's playful yet profound, commercial yet sacred. A bottle of soda becomes a vessel of faith, a symbol of respect, and a sweet whisper to the divine. In a world of changing traditions, Thailand reminds us, reverence doesn't always wear robes, it can sparkle in plastic, fizz with devotion, and taste like childhood.